What's up, guys? Just want to talk about this Chief steamer again. Wanted to do a part 2 video. First talk about a few of the attachments that I have, or that it came with, and pretty much how we use it. It's really simple. This is the on and off button here. This is the dial to allow how much pressure you're going to use. This is where you connect your hose. And now I'm going to show you pretty much how much water you're supposed to put in it. I always just give it the eyeball test. I really don't have an exact measurement. I brought the measuring cup, and I'm going to put 2 to 2.5 full 2 fills full of this here. And of course we're using distilled water. So distilled water is crucial to put inside your steamer. I was reading the directions on this Chief steamer, and they said you could use any type of water, which you probably can. I'm sure it's fine, and I'm sure it's fine, but I like to keep it safe. So let's just always use distilled water when you're filling this up, okay? So I've had a good amount of steamers in my detailing business. The Chief steamer is definitely one of my favorites. It does run out of water quickly. This is the 75 PSI model. I know they have 2 other models that are a lot stronger that I'll probably end up buying one. I'm gonna go ahead and close this up. And I'm gonna turn it on. It's super hot out here today. It's like 95 degrees. It's a bit humid. We're working on a super dirty car. I'm completely filthy right now. The car was in absolutely disgusting shape. But that's what we're here for. So let's talk about a few of the attachments that the Chief has. Now these aren't all of them. These are just a few. The rest of them I left at home. But these are the main ones I keep in my purple Adidas bag. First is the pointer attachment. This one has just one hole. This is really good for, like, this is what I use a majority of the time. This is really good for, like, pretty much anything. You can use this like a little mini air compressor. You can use this for spot treatment. You can use this to take out some small stains. Now, second is the other pointer attachment, but this one has 3 holes in it. 1, 2, 3. Now, I don't use this one as much, but it's pretty slept on. I like it. I like it a lot because this is really cool for door jams, because it kind of just spits out steam in 3 directions where I can clean up things a lot quicker. Or if I'm working on wheels, that part's really cool as well. Or if I'm blowing out stuff on the seat rails, or if I'm just working out a few stains, this little attachment right here is really cool. I like this one a lot. So I do need to show you guys how it works. This is the third attachment here. This is the horsehair agitation attachment. This I use this pretty much on like vinyl floors. I can use this on vinyl, plastics, some really dirty leather seats, pretty much anything. And there's not too many steamers that come with attachments like this, so I really like this one a lot. This helps me clean things very efficiently and fast. And then the triangle attachment. Of course, almost any steamer on the market has something like this. You could attach your microfiber towel right here. Let me show you guys. You could attach your microfiber towel here start working out stains like this. We use this a lot like that, or you can use a microfiber bonnet attachment, not attachment, a microfiber bonnet, sorry, and make this a little bit simpler. These are on Amazon, and you could go to work on carpets or seats or any upholstery with things like this. The steamer is still charging up. It usually takes 10 to 15 minutes to start up. I got no bad things to say about the Chief steamer at all. It's a great steamer. It's an amazing bang for your buck. It does run out of water quick, but that's probably just this model. I know there's a different model that you could continuously refill while it's on. That's my next purchase. I need one of those because I'm constantly running out of water with this thing. Chief steamer, the 75 PSI. I give this like a 7.5, 8 out of 10, and I'd highly recommend it. It's super efficient. It helps you get the job done very quick. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. I hope you guys have a good one. We'll get back to it.